I've been trying to get a freaking transporter for my CVO all week, but it's not working out. 26 hours left, man. Yeah, I see where we at, man. We just now pulling up. Oh my God, oh my Lord Jesus. Yeah, this thing looks totally different now. My guy, the man with the plan. What's up with you, man? This thing is looking sick.
Ready to go, take it for a rip. Test run.
I see what's going on. I'm excited now. This is what I drove 17 hours for right here, man. And get back to the real deal, Holyfield. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally got this thing like balanced out and everything. Now it's running good, riding good, and feeling like even smoother than before. So with that being said, man, we can like move this from front and center and move it to the back of the room. But before we do that, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 Road Glide Strawberry Lemon Drop with the Built 124 on there, man, now is the time to do it. We only got 1 week left. When we come back from Arizona, man, we will be giving this bike away. If you guys don't know what this thing sounds like, I actually rode it yesterday for you guys, so make sure you go check out that video. In the meantime, man, all you guys got to do to enter is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go copy anything on the site. Anything that you purchase will give you entry into the giveaway. It's 1 entry per purchase, so this will be the giveaway with the least amount of entrants. You guys know in the past we had like thousands and thousands of entries, so we actually not doing multiple entries per purchase right now. It's only 1 entry per purchase. So if you guys want multiple entries, man, you got to purchase more stuff on the website. In the meantime, I definitely appreciate you guys. But furthermore, we have our 2021 Road Glide special here. So you guys see we got a few scratches along, well, on the outer fairing, of course. Then we got a few little scratches right there, so we can actually take off this front fender. We can take off this outer fairing. He should be able to get that back right and get it nice and good for us. And then what else can we take off? Maybe we can take off these side covers, or if we just wash it, it might look a little better because I haven't even washed the bike yet, man. So we actually gonna take them these bags too. I'm sure he can put some stuff on there to get this. We'll save this bag because it's not that bad, honestly. The only thing I'm gonna have to find is probably like a quick little like a saddlebag little lever right here or whatever. But other than that, I think we might be good. And then I got another interfering already, so no need for that. I think I'm actually gonna be color matching this interfering to the bike. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Then we can take this latch off and get this one repainted along with this bag, man. So we're gonna pull this bike up front, get it on the stand, take off everything we need to take off, and get this sucker ready to be repainted, man. Let's do it. Alrighty, now that we got this thing on the stand, of course we're gonna start with our bags, take these suckers off, work our way up to the front fender, and then like the front fender really isn't that bad, but I mean, since we're getting it like repainted and stuff, we might as well have them touch it up a little bit right there, and maybe get it straightened out a little bit. But we'll get this fairing off. We'll see where we are from there, man. So let's do a quick little time lapse. I'm gonna catch y'all in 2 seconds. Alrighty, guys, we got our bags off. We're gonna take this latch off. We're gonna take the latches off. Got a new one already from the old bag, which is right there, but I'm gonna take this latch off so we can paint that along with both of these bags, because we can save this. It's not all the way through, so he'll be able to save it. And then here we'll get that taken care of, as well as this side. And then these are gonna be I believe I'm gonna do these burgundy as well. These I'm gonna do burgundy, gloss black, burgundy, gloss black, and then of course I'm gonna re-hit the front fender up, make it look good and whatnot. And then now that I'm thinking about it, I might as well take off this oil cooler cover right there and paint that burgundy, so we can just get this thing looking a little better. And then when the wheels and stuff get here, it'll be that much more sicker, man. I can't wait. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below. Alrighty guys, next day here, man. We done dropped off our motorcycle parts at the paint shop. Hopefully those are done in a couple days and we can get them things back and start putting this bike back together. Meanwhile, I'm here up at the freaking hat place trying to get you guys his hats. Now they had most of them done. However, the stitching on it was not the greatest, like not at all. It wasn't nearly what you guys are used to getting. So I had them redo them over. And so that's gonna be taking a couple more days. So I'm sorry about the delay, but I can't put out nothing that I'm not 100% satisfied with, man. At least send it out to you. So they about to do it over and get it right. And everybody who's got a beanie, I got something coming for you as well, man. So give me another like maybe week. They said it should be done Monday. Today is Friday. So we're just gonna hope for the best and be patient, but we're gonna be firm as well. So I definitely appreciate y'all patience and everything that come along with that, man. I appreciate y'all's love. Let's see what else we can get going for today, man. Alrighty guys, while our paint set is getting painted, man, I thought it was gonna be back today. I thought I was gonna get you guys like a quick all-in-one video, but it's not looking like that right now. But in the meantime, man, I'm actually trying to find a transporter in Miami right freaking now, man. The transporter's been bull crapping and bull crapping and bull crapping. So before I gotta drive my car down there and go get my bike myself, I'm trying to find a freaking transporter, but it's not looking too sweet right now, man. So with that being said, I'm actually about to go get an oil change for the Lambo. Then not only that, we're gonna take it to the truck stop so we can get these freaking trailer lights situated. And if we get 1 and 2 figured out, we're heading to Miami, and from Miami we're heading straight to Phoenix, man. So it's gonna be a long week, but hopefully it should all pay off in the meantime. And if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what we got going, man. Of course, I'm at Imperial Auto, man, getting this bad boy oil changed. We got our freaking tow hitch, man. So we're gonna try to put this thing to work, man. Get this CVO on this thing, man. See what's going on. What's up, guys, man? A couple days here later, man, and you guys see what we got on the back. So I got the trailer back there. I've been trying to get a freaking transporter for my CVO all week, but it's not working out. It's just not working out. So with that being said, got my trailer, got my ride filled up. Now I'm headed to Miami to go pick up my CVO to see if we can make it to Phoenix in time before the show starts, man. Y'all know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's freezing as heck out here. You guys haven't got in for a chance to win, man. Everything on the website is only $50, man. We discounted it by $25, man. So go ahead and take advantage of the discount. Get in while you can. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy anything on the site for a chance to win our 2020 Road Glide Strawberry Lemon Drop with a built 124 on that joint, man. I can't wait. It's freezing out here. Let's get back in the car and get this show on the road, man. Alrighty, guys. After like 16, 17 hours, man, we finally made it to Miami, Florida, non-stop. Look at that over there. It's a big old guitar that extends into the air. That's how you know we made it to Miami, man. But furthermore, about a good 13 minutes from All American, so I can't wait to pick up this bike and see what it's looking like, see what it's running like. And y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all gonna check it out here with me first, man. I done freaking threw down on some Jamaican food and whatnot. Shirt all messed up. I really need to go in the back and change it, but it's all good. I ain't tripping, man. We been thugging. We gotta go back through Houston, so I might stop at the house and take a quick shower and get back on the road. Then I don't know. We'll see what's up. All right, man. We done finally pulled up. 17 hours later. Man, that was a long drive, and this trailer still on the back of this thing, surprisingly. The trailer is still on the back of this thing, surprisingly, man. Let's see what we got up in here. Y'all see where we at, man. We just now pulling up All American Cycle. It's time to get this show on the road, man. Let's see if I can spot mine. Oh my God, oh my Lord Jesus. Yeah, this thing looks totally different now. I ain't gonna lie, this thing is a beast. Look at this thing right here. I would try to, you know, give you guys a quick little one too, but I'm just like, here it is right here. This is the one. Let's not get it misconstrued. Big army right there, man. Y'all know what time it is. This thing is a freaking beast. Look, we got the big T-Man, Big Daddy on there. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. Got the BST wheels, Carbon Daddies on there. Ooh, you can just feel how light them suckers are. You can just feel how light those suckers are. Of course, we got a little bit of ooh and ah effect right here. A whole lot of this and a whole lot of that. I ain't gonna lie, this thing hard. Of course, CVO, man. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know how we coming. My guy, the man with the plan. What's up with you, man?
Hello, bro.
Good seeing you, man.
All right.
This thing is looking sick.
Yeah, man. Ready to go. Take it for a rip.
It's looking sick. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get my helmet together real quick. That thing looks sick, man. So I'm sure you rode it a few times, or you have somebody else ride it?
No, I rode it.
Oh, okay.
Well, both. Me and my boy ride it.
Okay, I'm excited, man. Did you strap me down up front? No, you didn't strap me down, huh?
Test run.
I see what's going on. She got the oohs and the ahs. And she's smelling good. It's smelling real good, man. Oh, yeah. It's smelling real good, looking real good. Oh, my God. Y'all see what's going on. Big Daddy on the Big Daddies. I'm excited now. This is what I drove 17 hours for right here, man. One with all the oohs and the ahs, man. I'm gonna get my helmet set up real quick before we put this thing on the back of the trailer and see if we can get some type of wow factor out this, man. So y'all hang with me for a hot second.
All right, so right here, I put your power vision right here.
Got you.
So you're gonna
Got the oohs and ahs. A lot of this stuff ain't gonna be on YouTube. This part right here,
yeah,
it's just gonna be for me to remember.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
All right, so this right here is this bike's fast as fuck. Is you know when it's on, when you just cruising the bike, you feel the power.
Yeah.
But it's nice and mellow. It's nothing crazy. When you get on it, that's when that bitch comes alive.
Right. Okay. Got you.
Okay? That's when it comes alive. And don't treat it like a stock 128. You know, like a stock head 128. You know,
Right.
a real built motor.
Right.
Nice
Don't pull up.
Nah, don't be doing none of that stuff.
If you gonna pull up and park, if anything.
Pull up, you know.
I'm gonna be a trailer queen now, man.
Nah, you can write the fuck out of it. Just treat it nice. When it's cold, let it warm up.
Okay.
When it's when it's hot, be nice to it. Just and just change your oil often. 20, 50, full synthetic oil, whatever you like is good. And that's about it, bro. Take it for a rip. Let me know how you rip.
Yeah. I'm about to fucking put my helmet together and get it together. And just like that, guys, we got this thing all loaded up, ready to go, strapped down. She shouldn't be going nowhere off the back of this thing, man. So can't wait, man. Y'all stay tuned. We off to Phoenix. We got a long drive ahead of us, man, but we got a whole lot of energy as well, man. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna see how this thing works out and get this show on the road. Meanwhile, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It is a movie. Of course, my guy. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man.
Good looking out.
Sure you, bro. You want to get some water, use the bathroom?
Oh, yeah, for sure. Y'all see it here first, man. Next time you see it, hopefully it'll be coming through the finish line first, man. You know? This thing looks dope, though. I can't wait, man. Y'all gonna stay tuned. Guys, man, I done took a little nap, got back on the road, got our CVO still loaded up, looking good. Looking better than ever, actually. But I think this is where we cut the video and get back to the real deal Holyfield. Oh my goodness, look at that thing. That thing look amazing. But y'all see it here first, man. We are on our way to Phoenix. We got 27 hours. Let me see how many hours we got. We got 26 hours left, man. 26 hours, long way to go. So alrighty, guys, gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I definitely appreciate it, man. Today, everything on the website is only 50 bucks, man. So if you guys want to be riding and shiding like your boy, man, with a bike on the back, it's not gonna be this CVO, but guaranteed it's gonna be the strawberry lemon drop with a built 124 on that joint, man. I can't wait to see where that thing is going. So instead of $75, man, I'm taking $25 off of everything on the website, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get in while you can, because after this weekend, we are going live, man. We are on our way to Arizona right now to have a ball, man. So I can't wait. We're gonna see what this thing does. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go up. $25 off of everything on the website, man. 1 entry per purchase, man. Y'all know what time it is. Head on over to everythingregular.com, man. Let's go.